Came outside today and was gonna take the truck for a spin, but turns out the battery's dead. I actually feel like this is the perfect time to show you guys about this jump starter that I have. It's perfect for now, this situation right now, but we're gonna actually go ahead and go switch out the battery, go buy a new battery and switch it out. Lucky I left the door unlocked. But this is a jump starter. Here it is the Hulkman 65. This video is not sponsored by them or anything. I just purchased this off of Amazon, but this goes up to a 6.5 gas liter truck and a 4.0 diesel engine. So they do make it the 85. That's the one that I was gonna get. That one goes up to, I believe, a 6.7 diesel, something like that. Maybe a 7.3. That's the one I was gonna get, but you know, I don't have a diesel, so I was just kind of trying to future-proof myself just in case I do want one. So a little bit more on this thing before we jump right into jumping it off. This can be used as a regular battery charger for like your phone or any device that take USB-C, or just a regular USB. As you can see, it's right here on the edge. It's been perfect. Like, me and my wife, I've had this thing for probably like 2 months now, maybe 3 months, somewhere in there. The truck battery actually been pretty weak, probably since fall started or a little before. So I just waited. I just held out as long as I could, and it died on me one time at the gas station. It was already dead, but I forgot to leave it on, and it died again once at the gas station. So I was like, let me just go ahead and get a battery. But anyway, enough of me rambling. So right here is where you turn it on. You can see right now, hopefully this thing will jump it off with it being on 21%. So it has a digital screen. I haven't charged in a while. You got your lights. You can do your lights right here. You can see it got a real light, and it's very bright at night. It's pretty cool, man. I like it. It usually jump it off right off from the very start, and it got different lighting settings you can use. It can flash the lights and all this and that and the third. But we're not here for that. We can go ahead and get this thing charged, jump this truck off real quick, and so we can go pick up the battery, get my key. So what you would do to make sure this thing is ready to go and jump charge, you would press and hold these two buttons right here, and it'll let you know when it's ready. It's probably not gonna do it because the battery is so low, and the battery is completely dead. It's not gonna jump it off. Went inside so I can demonstrate to you guys and charged it up. Oh shit, I forgot the battery. You see right here, this thing's ready. On the first jump. As you can see, when it's fully charged, it jumped on the first try. Battery Plus, they was running a sale, so it was running like I think it's like 15% off Duracell batteries, and you can get an extra 10% off if you order online and pick up in store. So that's exactly what I did. So I was able to save a few bucks, like $50 I believe, somewhere in there. So let's go ahead and put this in. But first we gotta take out the old battery, then we'll put the new battery in. So all you need, 10 mil and an 8 mil. So we're gonna loosen this one right here. So this piece here, and then this piece right here. And we'll loosen the terminal. So remember, you want to remove the negative terminal first. Alright, now do the same thing with the positive. Now right here where my hand is right here, you need to loosen this hold down clamp. Loosen this up and take it off so you can remove the battery. There you go. Alright. Now, move these. First, before we tighten that down, let's put this back in. Clamp it back down. Hey, how you doing? Good, how you? I had to put a new battery in here. Yeah, the battery been dead. Yeah, so, yeah. How you been? Hey, well, that's good. That's always a good thing. That's right. That's good. Glad to hear you doing better. I hope not. Alright. Clamped in there, and now let's tighten this up. Now the negative terminal. Lights back on in here. Go ahead and start it up.